All right, hello everyone. My name is Aidan Martinez, and this is my final project. For my CRUD application, I built a simple recipe app that uses MongoDB, web service, .js, and HTML pages to demonstrate all four CRUD operations. So first, I will show you. This is my MongoDB compass. I created a database, and within that database is my collection, and it is called recipes since I made a recipe app. As you can see, I already have 3 in here with ID, title, ingredients, instructions, object ID, prep time, servings. Okay, and I will also show you, this is my web service.js where everything is running. This file contains all the CRUD API endpoints for create, retrieve, update, delete, update one, and delete one. All right, I will now show you to begin I will show you create first. So to spare you guys the time, I went ahead and filled a recipe in. So this one is, I made a new ID, or I'm going to make a new ID, 3. It's going to be called mac and cheese. Here's the ingredients, the instructions, prep time, the servings. And just to show you that mac and cheese is not already in here. And then we'll go ahead and hit create. And not only will you see it here, mac and cheese, but when you update MongoDB, boom, there you go. There's mac and cheese. All right, I also have retrieve, which I actually made view recipes, but as you can see, it's my retrieve.html. And this is what you see after you add something, which we just saw a second ago. Here are all of them. I also added a search bar so you can find any recipe that you've made, even if it's hidden all the way at the bottom. So just to show you guys, mac and cheese, there you go. You don't even have to finish typing. It already found mac and cheese, and that's the only option. Okay, next is the update demo. So you come to update and you find the one that you'd like to change. Let's just say we'd like to change mac and cheese. Let's stick with it. And turns out prep time is actually a little bit longer, so we'll say it's 17 minutes. Still serves 3 people, everything else is the same. Go ahead and hit update. It brings you back to retrieve.html to see all the recipes. And once again, you can see right now it's at 15 minutes of prep time. When we update it, it's now at 17 minutes. Okay, and lastly is the delete function, which I actually have on my retrieve.html, just to keep things neat. So sticking with the theme, actually let's go ahead and delete a different one. Let's say we don't need to have our ramen recipe anymore. We'll go ahead and delete it. It's going to make sure you want to. You no longer see it here in retrieve. And let's make sure it works here. We'll update. There's no more ramen. So everything works. All the CRUD features work as intended. I forgot to show you my home page. This is the index HTML, and you can find all the pages down here or up top. And that concludes my demo. Thank you for watching.